Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Capricorn moon sign, Capricorn ascendant people. I'm gonna tell you all how your month of August 2021 would be. At the starting of the month, you would be seeing Saturn in retrograde motion in your ascendant or over your moon sign. In your second house, in the Aquarius sign, you will be seeing a retrograde Jupiter. In your fourth house, in the Aries sign, you will be seeing Moon. In your fifth house, in the Taurus sign, you will be seeing Rahu. In your seventh house, you will be seeing a Buddha Aditya Yoga, a Sun Mercury conjunction, and Saturn would be aspecting the Sun and the Mercury. And in the 8th house, you will be seeing a Mars-Venus conjunction. And in your 11th house, you would be seeing Ketu. So this is the planetary position you will be witnessing at the starting of August 2021. Capricorn moon sign, Capricorn ascendant people. I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that when you all enter the month of August 2021, you might be feeling trapped in life. Life might have trapped you until now. You wouldn't be seeing light at the end of the tunnel. You would be experiencing complete darkness in your life. I mean, you wouldn't be able to decipher ways to move forward in life. It could be that you are fighting in your business without being successful. It could be that you are fighting for your job but you aren't successful. It could be that you are fighting for that relationship, that love, but you aren't getting any sort of success in it. It could be that you are fighting for your health, wealth, children, money, etc., etc., etc. And you haven't seen any sort of success until now. But when you'll enter the month of August 2021, let me tell you all that all those dark clouds which are encompassing you at this particular moment, they are gonna vanish. They are gonna blow away from your life. You are gonna see the sunny side of everything in the month of August 2021. You are gonna make a comeback in your life in the month of August 2021. However grim, however difficult, however problematic the situation may be for you in the month of August 2021, let me assure y'all are gonna make a comeback in your life. Y'all are gonna bounce back in your life. Y'all are gonna make things happen for you in your life. The planetary positions are gonna support you in the month of August 2021. And you need to make a deliberate, conscious and a determined effort to make things happen in your life, because I see y'all succeeding in the month of August 2021. Y'all are gonna be a winner in the month of August 2021. Y'all are gonna be victorious in anything you are doing in the month of August 2021. You might be feeling suffocated, trapped by life at this particular moment. But let me tell you that the sun is going to rise in the month of August 2021 for y'all. I mean, y'all are gonna see some happiness, some joy, some positivity in your life in the month of August 2021. All you need to do is start making efforts in the month of August 2021. And if you make your sincere efforts in the month of August 2021, then probably no one in this world can stop you from seeing success in your life. Mediocrity will be a thing of the past for y'all, and y'all are gonna see some greatness in your life finally, and this trajectory of your life is gonna continue. My request to y'all would be to make a determined effort to make things happen for you. I mean, there shouldn't be any sort of laxity in your approach towards your life, and if you do so what I'm telling you to, then I am certain that you are gonna see success in the month of August 2021. I know that the Capricorn moon sign are going through a phase of Sadesati, the 7.5 years of Saturn. They are experiencing the peak of this 7.5 years of Saturn. And even if y'all are experiencing this, y'all are gonna make a comeback in your life. Y'all are gonna bounce back in your life. Y'all are gonna move forward in your life at this point in time. Well, now let me start predicting about the Capricorn moon sign, Capricorn ascendant people. Let me start with people who are doing a job or are finding a job for themselves. Let me tell you all that those people who are trying to find a job for themselves, they are gonna find some job for themselves during the month of August 2021. However big or small that job might be, you need to start working in the month of August 2021. Even if that salary package is not enough for you, you don't feel convinced about that salary package for yourself, my request to y'all would be start working, because later on I am seeing a jump in your salary package. So the main thing at this point in time for y'all would be to start working and not consider the salary package. Well, for people who are doing a job, this time is gonna be a very good time for y'all. Y'all are gonna do certain things in your work that is gonna impress your bosses and superiors at this moment. This great work, this important work, this critical work which you will be doing at this point in time will form a basis for your future promotions, for your future success in that company and in your career. The only problem I see for y'all is your peers and colleagues. They are gonna get very jealous of you at this moment, seeing your progress in that company, seeing that you are progressing at the speed of knots in that company. So be careful of your peers and colleagues. I don't see a problem for you from your bosses or superiors. Well, for business people, this month is gonna be a tough month for y'all. Y'all are gonna see some ups and downs in your business in the month of August 2021. There is a chance of you losing some money in your business during the month of August 2021. If you make a loss in the month of August 2021, then I am certain that you are gonna recover those losses in the subsequent months. But for the time being, you might get very tensed about losing money in your business. My suggestion to y'all would be don't expand your business in the month of August 2021. My advice to y'all would be just keep on doing what you are doing and work hard on your business in the month of August 2021. However, there wouldn't be any sort of dearth of money in your business in the month of August 2021. In other words, you'd easily be able to meet your expenses in your business and your house expenses in the month of August 2021. Well, on the health front, this month is gonna be an okay sort of month for y'all. Neither too good, neither too bad. It is gonna be a very normal month for y'all. Well, for those people who are having a chronic disease, they need to be a bit careful in the month of August 2021. And they need to take some extra care of themselves during the month of August 2021. People having chronic disease might see some complications. Hence, I'd suggest you all to take care of yourself. However, the parts of the body, the organs of the body which you need to take care of at this particular moment is your digestive system, is your liver, is your heart, your lungs, and your bones. If you face any challenges regarding these parts, these organs of the body, then you need to give special attention to it. Well, for those people who are in a romantic relationship, let me tell you all that this month is gonna be a very good month for y'all. Y'all are gonna see a lot of joy and happiness in that relationship. I mean, with your love partner. You and your love partner are gonna go out of your way to show your love for each other during the month of August 2021. Y'all are gonna support each other in whatever you are doing at this moment. I mean, y'all are gonna give mental support to each other during this time. All I need to warn y'all about is that your friends, your near and dear ones, your loved ones might try to create a misunderstanding between you and your love partner during the month of August 2021. They might try to instill within you certain feelings which might destroy your relationship with your love partner. But my suggestion to you all would be, don't pay any heed to such people's advices or what they are telling you. Generally speaking, it is gonna be a very good time for y'all. Well, for students, this month is gonna be a fantastic month for y'all. Y'all are gonna work very hard on your studies during the month of August 2021. Y'all are gonna grasp, understand and comprehend all those subjects which you weren't able to until July 2021. You are gonna be determined and focused at this particular moment in regard to your studies. You are gonna score very well in your exams if you appear for one in the month of August 2021. You are gonna be very focused on your studies during the month of August 2021. My suggestion to you all would be, if something distracts you from your studies in the month of August 2021, just avoid it, just ignore it. Well, for married people, this month is not gonna be a great month for y'all. Y'all are gonna see some problems with your marriage in the month of August 2021. You and your spouse are gonna have some unnecessary fights, debates and arguments in the month of August 2021. And this may lead you all to separate from each other at this moment. It might be a very temporary phenomenon, but you or your spouse might be compelled to leave each other at this particular moment. Though it might be only for a few days, but there is a strong chance of you getting separated from your spouse at this particular moment. My suggestion to y'all would be, don't get into any sort of arguments and debates with your spouse during the month of August 2021. I mean, talk less with your spouse in the month of August 2021. Well, for people who are in the stock market, let me tell you all that this month is not gonna be a good month for y'all. I mean that the investments you had made in the stock market earlier wouldn't be fetching any sort of positive returns for you. I mean, you wouldn't be seeing any sort of profits in the stock market in the month of August 2021. And if you see losses in the stock market, my suggestion to y'all would be, wait. Let the prices of your stocks reach your cost price and further, and then only sell your stocks. Maybe not in this month, but later on. Well, for people who want to gamble in the stock market or somewhere else, my suggestion to y'all would be, please do not do so in the month of August 2021, because there is a strong chance of you losing a large sum of money during the month of August 2021 if you gamble in the stock market or anywhere else. If you are planning to make some investments in the stock market, then do it in several tranches, not in one go. Well, for people who are in debt, let me tell y'all that during this month, y'all are gonna see some money, some resources to pay your EMIs, your installments on time during the month of August 2021. You wouldn't have to worry to pay your EMIs and installments in the month of August 2021. Don't make the mistake of taking a fresh loan in the month of August 2021. Well, Capricorn moon sign, Capricorn ascendant people, here is something else for y'all. I want to tell y'all that I make a very special prayer box and an amulet for all you Capricorn moon sign, Capricorn ascendant people. Well, if you have been facing any sort of problems, any sort of difficulties, any sort of predicaments, any sort of ordeals, any sort of sorrows, miseries, worries in your life, if you are facing barriers, hurdles and obstacles in your life, and you think you have tried hard enough to overcome the problems and obstacles of your life without any success, then you can install this prayer box in your house or wear this amulet around your neck. Well, when you install this prayer box in your house or wear this amulet, then these remedies are gonna help you to enhance your luck. I mean, it is gonna help you to earn more money in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life. It is gonna make you move forward in your life. It is gonna remove all those obstacles and hurdles which you are facing in your life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, then this particular amulet, this particular locket, this particular prayer box is gonna help you to rise up once again in your life. And it is gonna propel you to run towards that thing called success, which we all want. Well, this prayer box, this amulet which I'm talking about, is a godly remedy. It is a religious remedy which can be used by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. I am talking about that God who has created this universe, who has invented the universe and all the things in it, including us. Well, if there were different gods who had created this universe, who had invented the universe, then the color of the human blood would be different in different human beings. But that is not the case. The color of the human blood is red in all the human beings of this planet Earth. Hence, you all will understand that there is only one creator of this universe. There is only one inventor of this universe, and that is the Almighty God. The name of that God may be different. We may call that God by different names. That doesn't matter. But basically, we are all worshipping that one God, that same God. Hence, I can confidently tell you all that this prayer box, this amulet, locket, pendant can be worn by or installed by any person of any religion. Well, this pretty much completes my predictions for Capricorn moon sign, Capricorn ascendant people for the month of August 2021. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology, and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And besides that, if you want to enhance your luck, if you want to earn more money in your life, if you want to see success and prosperity in your life, if you want to experience richness in your life, if you wish to be called a positive person in your life, if you want to experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great month of August 2021. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.